Hey, check out this guy here in my kitchen window. It's my dirty kitchen window. Here you go. See if I get him. Okay, this is a robber fly. All right. Comes from the family Asilidae. He's a super predator. So he ambushes his prey like a bee in mid-flight. Then he stabs it with his proboscis, injects a neurotoxin into the prey to paralyze it, along with some enzymes that dissolve him from the inside out, makes him into a slurry, and then our robber fly will just kind of suck the juices out of the prey. So this one here looks like an Efferia antiochi, but those are typically farther up north by Fresno, but it could be that guy. Anyway, his top head is hollowed out between his eyes. He's got like a bearded face. Not sure if you can see that right. He's got this stout thorax and long legs. That's our super predator robber fly. How about that? He bites, so don't mess with him, all right? From the family Asilidae. Okay, so hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Bye.